Welcome back, everyone. It is time to unbox another cocoadaisy kit. This is the February Denim and Blush kit, and I already took everything out of the pretty yellow polka dot box and put it in my basket. So if you're interested in seeing the February 2021 kits, keep watching. Okay, we're going to start with the main planner kit. And you can get the planner kit with or without inserts, and I just read that you can now get the kit if you like the simple dory that comes in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. This is the standard dory, the simple dory. I apologize, the simple dory. You can now get that as an insert choice in the planner kit if you would like to. I typically get the standard size dory, the Traveler's Notebook, and I use this in my journal. And then I get an extra insert, the B6 dory, which is exactly the same as far as artwork goes in the middle and on the pages, but I use this for my planner. So lots of options. You could do the planner kit with no insert, or the simple dory, or they have ring bound inserts, or of course Traveler's Notebook inserts. And then this month, the pen is really pretty. These are the Daisy pens, and you always get 2 ink refills, which is nice. And I love the rose gold hardware this month, so that's really pretty. And then this month, you don't get one every month, but this month, the main planner kit came with this zippered sticker pocket, which I have some of the other colors that have come in past kits, and even their larger sticker sheets fit in here. So I was happy to see another one of those in a different color. You also get 3 pieces of paper, however, they are large. And I like that they're large, and I say this every month, because they wrap around the inserts that way. Even if you use an A5 size dory, they're large enough to wrap around that book, so that's nice. So this is the first one. Really pretty blush and kind of a muted navy. This is the second one. And then this is the third. And then you always get this date and day flag sheet and a sticker sheet that looks like this. And you also always get a notepad, and I'm in love with the simplicity of this one and the stripes. It's really pretty. Be great for list making. And then you usually get some sort of sticky note, and so February's looks like this. And then a washi, which is this beautiful floral this month. I'm really liking that. And then some die cuts, and you'll see in there that there are some tabs that you can use in your planner, and those tabs work perfectly with the sticker labels, so you can label your tabs. And then this month we got this sheet, which I love. It's really fun, and you get to mark when your box of happy arrives. And then this month we got a charm and matching clip. I love these because they're really great quality. They're not cheap all, and the rose gold hardware, and I like the paper clip because it has the nice big wide paper clip. So that is all of the main planner kit, and I think next we'll jump into the planner add-on kit. Okay, so planner add-on kit. This month we got a nice blush colored alpha sticker, and this 4x6 card. It's a beautiful day to go after your dreams. A fun little tag. I love decorating those and adding them to my pocket. And then you always get a couple of like project life-size cards. Here's the first one and the second one. And then I call this the kit color card. It has all the colors from the kit, which makes it easy to match things to your kit. So you can just grab this kit color card and, you know, even go shopping at Michael's or Hobby Lobby and find things that you know will match your kit. And then These are my favorite part of the planner add-on kit, are these small sticker sheets. So we got this one, and then I used this one to label the days and this one to label the dates in my dory. And the dory booklets are undated, which I like because if you end up not using them, you can keep them and use them for another year, which I have done before. And then I'm very excited about this. I love, love, love mild liners. I use them all the time. And Christine found this one that matches the kit perfectly, so I'm really excited about this. And if you're not familiar with mild liners, basically they are a highlighter, but they are mild, so they're not gonna be like screaming on your page. And then this month we got this really thin, white, kind of speckled polka dot navy and white washi, and a package of die cuts, and some nice embroidered patches. We got birds in the January kit, and I really liked using those, so I can't wait to use those. And then this is a pin pouch. If I can find the opening to get it open for you, I'll show you. So we've gotten one sometime in 2020, I think, and they come in handy. They're really nice, so you can slip your ink pens in there. Actually, I'll move that one over so I can still snap it shut. So that is the planner add-on kit for February. And now we're going to take a look at the dashboard kit. And the dashboard kit comes with 12 dashboards. 6 of them are in the A5 size, and 6 of them are in personal size, and they are the same pattern. So I have my A5 ones down here, and then we'll just go ahead and flip through the patterns here on the personal size. And this is probably my favorite. That is so pretty. And that is the planner dashboard kit. All right, next we're going to talk about stickers, one of my favorite things. And if you want a lot of detail on stickers, I'm going to link up here my January video that goes through all of the sticker kits and kind of how they fit in different planners. Just a little bit more detail for you. We're going to start with the Daisy Week stickers, so I'll just flip through here, show you what those look like. I love these trackers, even in my dory booklet. I love those for list making, and I use these to label the top of my pages. Oops. And then you get a transparent sheet. And that is the end of the Daisy Weeks kit. And then we're going to jump right into the memory keeping kit, memory keeping sticker kit. You get this transparent small sheet. And these boxes are made to fit like a big happy planner, and they also fit really well in the new Daisy planner, which I have a video up on that one too if you're interested in taking a look at their planner. These are all memory keeping sticker kit. And then we're jumping into the planner sticker kit. We've been getting these, which I love, very functional, transparent dots. And then these full boxes in the planner sticker kit are smaller to fit more of like an Erin Condren or a 7x9 planner. And I love the hexagons. And then you always get a sheet of these transparent washi strips. And then this is the classic planner sticker kit. So these boxes are the same width as the other sticker kit, but they're a little bit longer. So they're more for like the classic, I think it's called the classic happy planner. I'm not as familiar with the happy planners because I don't use one of those myself, but just what I've heard. Sorry guys, I'm fumbling. And then we have the new Daisy add-on sticker kit. And then lastly, this is a new subscription. It's called the Bible Journaling Sticker Kit. And those are all the stickers for February. All right, very last thing I want to show you is the Planner Classified Kit. So this is kind of a secret. A lot of people look forward to the surprise of this kit because it's classified. So if you don't want to see, stop watching here. And if you go to their website, you can see this. They have all of it blurred out until you click through the pictures. So it won't ruin the surprise unless you want it to. So usually we do get an acetate and or a vellum. So this is the acetate this month. It's really pretty, along with the vellum with these kind of muted navy flowers. I love both of those. And then you also usually get a Simon card, and I am a huge Simon fan. And this is perfect for me. Definitely, yes, I have a lot of cups on my desk. It's one of my downfalls, actually. And then some small sticker sheets. And then this month we got some of the enamel glitter dots in this kit, so that's nice because they didn't come in the other kits. This cute little felt paper clip, and then a striped thin navy and blue washi, and this little topper. And lastly, which I'm very excited about, is a pin loop because I like adding those onto my dashboards as well. So that is the Planner Classified and the end of the video. If you guys have any questions, as always, please let me know and be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.